"I shall live forever," said the tree. "How come?" asked a man while looking at the tree's stump. "You are cut and dead," he added. "No, I'm not. I'm alive, though in another form. I still have my roots, and I have my friends. Don't you see my beautiful lichen, moss, fungal growth, and small insects that keep me company? This is beneficial for us all. I'm resting a bit. I have lived such a gorgeous life as a tall tree. It is time for younger generation and different kind of individuals to let them create something new. New for themselves or new as a whole. Let us see how it goes. I have plenty of patience and time."